Hi my dear students, yes, at last class we have did the topic is Rekhaye. Now today I am going to teach you how to write Swara. Before that, let's revise once this Rekhaye and start writing Swara. Okay. First one is Padi Rekha. Second one is Khadi Rekha. Third one is Daine Tirchi Rekha. Fourth one is Baye Tirchi Rekha. Fifth one is Khadi Padi Rekha. Sixth one is Vakra Rekha. Seventh one is Ulta Vakra Rekha. Eighth one is Golakar Rekha. Yes, my dear students, as you all know, you have learnt Swara. Yes, this is Swarakshar, and now we are going to practice how to write Swara. Before that, once we read this Swara, then let's start writing the Swara. Okay. A, I, U, Ru, E, I, O, Au, Ah. Yes, my dear students, this is your classwork, right? This is index column. You have to write your name, class, subject, roll number they will give you later, and a section. And here you can see SL number means 1, date 26. On which date you are writing, you have to put that date. And here in the title you have to write Swara. And here how many pages you have written. First I have written page number 1. I am starting with page number 1. Till the end where you finish, you have to write here 2, 3, how many pages you have written. You have to give one dash here and you have to write how many pages you have written. Okay, and this is the teacher's column. It is for signature. Yes, my dear students, heading you can see here Swar I have written. Here date 26/21 and this is page number 1 you can see. And now I will show you how to write A first. उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा. ये है पड़ी रेखा और ये है खड़ी रेखा और एक पड़ी रेखा बन गया आ. यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. और एक बार उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा, पड़ी रेखा, खड़ी रेखा और एक पड़ी रेखा बन गया आ. In English, ulta curve, one more ulta curve, and this is sleeping line, standing line, one more sleeping line, that is A. One more time, curve, ulta curve, sleeping line, standing line, and one more sleeping line, that is A. वक्र रेखा, उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा, पड़ी रेखा, कड़ी रेखा और एक पड़ी रेखा बन गया आ. यू कैन सी हाउ टू राइट आ हियर. अब चलो हम देखेंगे आ कैसे लिखने का. उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक पड़ी रेखा, एक खड़ी रेखा और एक खड़ी रेखा, ऊपर पड़ी रेखा आ बन गया. और एक बार उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा, पड़ी रेखा, खड़ी रेखा और एक खड़ी रेखा और पड़ी रेखा बन गया आ. Let's see in English. Ulta curve, one more ulta curve, sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line and sleeping line, that is a. Ulta curve, one more ulta curve and this is sleeping line, standing line, one more standing line and this is sleeping line, that is a. And once again in Hindi, उल्टा वक्र रेखा और एक उल्टा वक्र रेखा और पड़ी रेखा, खड़ी रेखा, दूसरी खड़ी रेखा और पड़ी रेखा बन गया आ. ये क्या है बच्चों? आ. खड़ी रेखा, वक्र रेखा, उल्टा वक्र रेखा एंड ट्विस्ट. यहाँ पे पड़ी रेखा ई. स्टैंडिंग लाइन, कर्व, उल्टा कर्व एंड ट्विस्ट. Here sleeping line, that is E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve and a twist. Here is sleeping line E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, a twist. Sleeping line, this is E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, twist and a sleeping line is E. Now we'll see E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, twist, sleeping line. Here one small curve. Okay. What is this? E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, a twist, sleeping line and a curve, small curve. Okay. Standing line, curve, ulta curve and a twist, sleeping line and a small curve. Standing line, curve, ulta curve and a twist, sleeping line and a small curve, that is E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, a twist, sleeping line and a small curve. This is E. My dear students, now let's see all four letters together how to write. I will show you here. This one is ulta curve, one more ulta curve and a sleeping line, standing line and one more sleeping line, A. Ulta curve, one more ulta curve and this is sleeping line, one standing line and another standing line and here sleeping line, A. And now we'll write E. One standing line, curve, ulta curve and a twist and here sleeping line, E. And now E. Standing line, curve, ulta curve, a twist and the sleeping line and here small curve, that is E. E. Now my dear students, I hope you all know how to write these four letters. What are those? E. Till which page number we have written? 5. You can see here 5 I have written, no? Yes. And here what we have to write? Yes, 5. Page number 1 to 5. What all the things we have written now? From where to where we have written swara? All we have written? No. Swara from A to E. 1 to 5 pages we have written. You have to write like this in the index page. Thank you so much my dear students. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.